Yes, the first and one of the most important documents of land in Nigeria is survey plan. What is survey plan? Survey plan shows the boundary measurement of a parcel of land and also give accurate descriptions of such a land. Survey plan is carried out by surveyors and they are regulated by the Office of the Surveyors General in the state in which the land is located. It is with survey plan that you'll be able to conduct a search on any land in the state where it is located. Without a proper search of land, it is relatively not good for one to part his money or cash or capital resources for any land transaction. You need to conduct a search to know if the land is free from government acquisition. Also, you need to conduct a search on the land to know if the land is for residential purpose, commercial purpose, or for agricultural use. You need to know to which aspect of the economy such a part of the land in the state is meant to cater for. It is through a search in the Office of the Surveyors General that you will be able to know this very important information. Another reason why search is important on a land is that search gives you the evidence to show that the land is free from all encumbrances, that is free from every other interference of either government, corporate organization, bank, or any other thing at all. It is through a search that you'll be able to know all of this. And who best help you to go through all this search process than a surveyor? It is important that you conduct a search on any land before parting your money. Before starting negotiation as to how much you are going to pay for any land transaction, you must, as a matter of importance, ask for a photocopy of the title document relating to survey plan. That is how important it is. Survey plan comes first. It is the foundation of every land transaction. Survey plan, as it is the foundations to which any land transaction can be said to be legal or illegal. I encourage you to follow due process when you want to get a land. Always seek the advice of an independent consultant who deal in real estate. You don't go to the market when you don't know the road to the market. You cannot possibly win a law case, a lawsuit, if you don't have a lawyer. So also you may have your fingers burned if you go into land transactions without making proper consultations with professionals that are in the field of helping one acquire land. Seek the advice of a rector who is an independent consultant as well to help you make inquiry, investigations as to the land you want to buy, as to the integrity of the company to which you want to deal with. Don't just part your money not knowing who you are dealing with, the integrity of the company you are dealing with, their antecedent, what they represent, Do they always have good title? Of course, there is no bad title to land ownership, as it only relates to how important one title is to the other, the advantage that one title have as against the other. We will continue from this point tomorrow, as we will be discussing extensively about accession. Today, I made you understand that having C of O in your possession does not guarantee ownership of a landed property. The mere fact that you have the C of O in your possession, safely kept in your vault at home or in the bank, does not guarantee the very fact that you are the true owner of that landed property. Of course, you have possession. As a friend, a family friend, a distant friend can give you a document to possess for him or her. If you don't have deed of assignment, otherwise known as deed of conveyance, also known simply put, also known as document of assignment, document of conveyance. If you don't have it, all of your transactions as relate to transfer of ownership of landed property is null and void. In the face of the law, here in Lagos State and anywhere in Nigeria, without the deed of assignment, every land transaction is considered illegal. That tells you to how important that document, that land document, that document to the landed property is. The importance of deed of assignment cannot be overemphasized. The emotion that comes to it while I'm explaining it cannot be said to be for a joke. It is for the mere fact that this has been a critical issue and a barrier to more investors having to part with their money to acquire more land and make more investment return for themselves. Because many ignorant, many ignorant investors, home buyers have failed over the years to seek for deed of assignment after making land transaction. Despite the awareness that we keep putting on videos, on write-ups, here and there, all the time with due reputations, people still part their money to collect title document to land without asking for an important document that goes